Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study UWorld for Step 1. First, approach each question block with a clear learning objective, not just to get the right answer. Focus on understanding the underlying pathophysiology and clinical reasoning. It's crucial to integrate UWorld into your daily study schedule, perhaps completing 1 or 2 blocks of 40 questions each day. This consistent exposure builds endurance and knowledge retention, preparing you effectively for the exam. When tackling questions, consider starting in tutor mode. This allows immediate feedback and explanation, which is invaluable for learning. Don't just skim the explanations, delve deep into why the correct answer is right and why the incorrect options are wrong. Pay special attention to the educational objectives. Actively creating flashcards, perhaps 10 to 15 per block, for difficult topics or frequently tested facts will significantly boost your recall. The true learning happens in the explanation section. Even if you answered correctly, review the explanation to solidify your understanding and ensure you didn't guess. Pinpoint specific areas where your knowledge is weak. For instance, if you consistently miss questions on renal physiology, dedicate extra time to that topic. Don't hesitate to consult your textbooks or other trusted resources for a deeper dive into complex subjects. This active learning approach is key. Consistent review of your marked and incorrect questions is paramount. This reinforces learning and prevents repeating mistakes. As your exam date approaches, transition to timed, untutored blocks to simulate actual test conditions. This builds stamina and helps manage time effectively. Remember, UWorld is a learning tool, not just an assessment. Keep a positive mindset and trust your preparation. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.